Recording, yeah. Now recording, I'm resuming. Yeah. You are signing online. Yeah. How are you?
Fine, fine, sir.
Acha,
Are you able to? Yeah.
I am able to see you online, but you are not. You are not able to see me, na kya? You cannot minimize the meeting. Pata nahi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I am just extending call. After that, I will be
You
online.
know, oh, you are connected to that. Is it so?
Yeah, I am connected to my mobile, sir.
Oh, then you disconnect that and come through that. Let me see.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay.
Yeah. Hello. Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Saini. What happened? Today it has become very troublesome for
Yeah, so late. We are 11 minutes late, sir. Sorry for delay. Actually, I
no
don't know
problem.
what's the mistake.
Yeah, yeah. No problem. Acha. Acha, you have any visual problem?
No, I am listening very properly right now.
Your visual, no
Yeah.
problem, na?
No, no issue, sir.
No, but आयान से
I'm
देखने से
comfortable
तो
right now.
थोड़ा लगता है. Very good. Excellent.
Yes.
Did we talk earlier? पहले हम लोग बात किए थे.
Yes, sir. On 1st August we met.
अच्छा अच्छा 1 अगस्त ओ बाबा
Yeah, yeah.
कितना अगस्त सितंबर अक्टूबर नवंबर 4 महीना चला गया.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah,
Due to
very
so
good.
delay in the interview schedule, we
Yeah, because
postponed
of
the
the
meeting and
interview
preparation
schedule.
also.
Yeah,
Yes,
good.
sir.
Now, are you working somewhere or you are not working now?
Yeah, yes, sir. I am working.
Currently, you are working.
Yeah, yes, sir. I am working.
Are you going to mention about this in the interview or not?
Yes, sir. I am going to mention because I have an experience of 5 years.
अच्छा, can you please tell
Yes,
us
sir.
about your present assignment? आपका present assignment का बारे में बताइए.
Yes, sir. Presently I am working at Gurgaon location in a multinational company. Yeah, and at the position of assistant manager, accounts and finance. And presently, I am handling taxation like TDS and GST department, and looking the import purchase also import payments, and dealing with our auditors like tax audits, GST audits, state audits. Like this, I'm working at the present time. I'm handling in my office.
Mm-hmm. Good, good.
Yes, sir.
Acha, I think पहले last time when we met, you were mentioning that you are working in an automobile firm, correct?
Yeah, right, sir.
You are working in automobile firm.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Acha, how has this corona affected your automobile firm working?
Yes, sir. In the starting time, our firm was affected, but right now we are regaining our targets. In the middle time, that is 3 or 4 months, our turnover was so low because our office also was closed for 3 to 4 months. Actually, we are not manufacturing the automobile parts. We are doing trading and service sector. We are working in trading and service sector. Our head office is in Switzerland. We import the automotive machines from there, and trading and service provided by us in Asia
Acha,
region.
acha. Yours is
Yeah,
mainly trading of service, trading and services.
yeah,
Very good.
yes, sir.
Now, in the matter of, say, vehicles, talking about vehicles,
Yes, sir.
I am told that a few countries are thinking about stopping the production of diesel vehicles and all that, and they want to
Yes,
go
sir.
in
Yes, sir.
only for electric vehicles.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can you please
In
tell me a few
Britain,
points about that?
yeah. Many of the countries are focusing due to the more pollution with the diesel and petrol vehicles. And in recent news, Britain totally closed the elec- manufacturing of the diesel and petrol vehicles. They are focusing on electric vehicles, or we can say CNG vehicles. They are more focusing, and most of the countries are going in that particular way. And in our country also, BS4 vehicles totally closed by Indian government. Now BS6 vehicles are coming in the market. So we are also focusing on electric vehicles and CNG vehicles presently. And our government have target also that up to 2030 we will close all the manufacturing of the vehicles of using petrol and diesel. And they are more focusing, and they are more giving more initiatives to producer of electric vehicles companies.
Good. Now, you
Yes,
are interested in joining FCI,
yes, sir.
Food Corporation of India.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me what all the points you know about Food Corporation of India?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. As per my West Bengal, Food Corporation of India was started in 1964. Food Corporation Act 1964, that is 14 January 1964. After starting of the Food Corporation, FCI is playing a very important role in the creation of the nation, because basic need of a person is roti, kapda, makan. So one of the part that is roti is more focused by Food Corporation of India, and food, it is efficiently
Hmm. Yes.
implementing
Hello.
food the price. Hello.
Hello. I think there is some gap in it. Doesn't matter. Now try again. Yeah. What do you know about? Tell me the basic important points about FCI.
Yes, sir. Main focus of the Food Corporation of India is to ensuring food security of the nation. So for the particular purpose, actually focus on procurement of food grains, storage of food grains, and distribution of food grains for the public interest. And
Okay.
it provides safeguards to farmers with the helping of buying the food grains at minimum support price that is decided by government of India with the recommendation of CACP. And after procurement of the food storage, it transfer the excess storage to required states, and after that distribute to state government agencies, they distribute to ration holders. So main purpose of the Food Corporation in India to maintain the food security of the nations and providing safeguard to farmers and providing food grains to weaker section at affordable price and
Excellent.
maintain market price.
Good, good. This much will do for me. Now tell me, Food Corporation of India, in what way has it helped the country during Corona times?
Yes, sir. During quarantine, there was a major issue with the weaker section. There, how to maintain their day-to-day food? How, because many of the peoples in the country are daily wager. They earn on daily basis and they eat on the particular daily wages basis. So in the Corona time, they have that they are unemployed. So that time, FCI played a very important role to providing the foods for living her life. So
Acha.
it's very important role played by Food Corporation of India during COVID.
That is free ration. I think for about 3 or 4 months they
Yeah,
gave free
free
ration.
ration also provided by Food Corporation of India. Yeah, from March to November they provided free ration to ration card holder. That is not minimum. They provided double ration to each family member. That is 5 plus 5, 10 kg per member of the family. Up to
Excellent.
November, free of
Now,
cost. Otherwise, they
how?
charge 2 rupees per kg for wheat and 3 rupees per kg for rice.
Yeah. Now I will put a different question to you. FCI has been able to rise up to the occasion of helping the country in the times of crisis. Can you tell me what has helped FCI to achieve this objective? What are the strengths of objective
Yes,
of
sir.
the FCI?
Yes, sir. FCI have more than 22,000 efficient employees. They are working day and nights in the Corona time. Also, they are giving their 100% efforts to secure the population of the nation. So, in the Corona time, working more and more times, giving day and nights working, they provided more efficiently they done work during the Corona. So, having the efficient workforce in the FCI, they are providing so bad service to our country.
Very good. Now, have you at any times come across the balance sheet of FCI? हमने देखा नहीं. Did you come across
Yes,
some?
sir.
Huh? You have seen their website?
Yeah.
I
Yes,
mean
sir.
the details of profit
Yes,
loss.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
बताइए उसका
Yeah,
बारे में
yes,
थोड़ा
sir.
बोलिए.
I know. Yes, sir. In the starting phase that in 96 for authorized capital of FCI was only 100 CR, and in 2019 that was increased up to 350 CR. And after recommendation of high level committee of Mr. Santa Kumar, in 2019 authorized capital was increased from 3,500 to 10,000 CR, and paid up capital was 4,400 CR up to 31st March 2020. And recent on 11th November 2020, paid up capital also was equal to 5505.9 CR. So as on date, paid up capital of the FCI is 5500 CR and authorized capital 10,000 CR. And about the debt of the corporation, it has 3.7 lakh crore debt as on date.
Oh, good. So the balance sheet shows what is the profit earned during the last few years. Did you come across the profit earned?
Sorry, sir. No.
No, you are not seeing the profit earned.
Best of all, sir. Sorry. I would like to tell you that I think FCI doesn't work on the profit basis. It is government organization. It works on the subsidy of government, so it's not profit-making organization.
Yeah, but
and difference of sale value and purchase value are provided by government with the name of subsidy. So around 1,000 crore per year provided by government to India for procurement of the food grains and for their expenditure. So FCI is not a profit-making organization. So I think FCI don't have profit.
Good. No, but I am asking this because you are a man from chartered accountancy. You people are more interested in profit, loss and all that. So आप लोग का इसी बारे में तो ज़्यादा interest भी होगा. Now, as a chartered accountant, how will you be helping FCI? In what way will you be of help to Food Corporation of India?
Yes, sir. As a chartered accountant, as my personal opinion, I have experience of 5 years in the industry, and I had good academic experience also and practical experience also. I completed my CA examination of all the state in first attempt. So as in the other part, as a chartered accountant for FCI, I will do my 100% as a team leader also. I will appreciate my team members, will give different type of area and will divide my teams for their specification and will integrate to them also for particular goals also. So giving my all the efforts of my academic or practical experience, I will do my 100% for FCI, efficient working or achieving the best goal for the organization.
Yeah, good. Now, as a FCI manager, what do you think will be your role? What do you think will be your role when you are functioning in FCI?
Yes, sir. Yeah, as I gone through the accounts manual also the FCI from the FCI website. In the particular, I read some points. So as a accounts manager in FCI, main and transaction level entry will be done by assistants and checking of that particular transaction, verifying the in FCI Lekha, that is called FCI Lekha, that is ERP system of FCI, will be done by accounts manager. So main role of the accounts manager will be to handling day-to-day transaction and checking all the transaction of the particular depot level, what the area provided by FCI to particular accounts manager. So verifying all the transaction, after that approving in the FCI Lekha. So accounts manager will be giving service to FCI and on day-to-day activities with the help of checking of the transaction and approving the FCI Lekha. After that, the entry will be closed for day-to-day basis.
Good. You are a man from Odisha, correct?
Yeah, Haryana. I am from Alwar in Rajasthan.
Rajasthan.
Yeah.
Acha. You are from Rajasthan.
Actually, I am doing job in Haryana. I am from Rajasthan. Doing my job in Haryana at Gurgaon, but my native place in Alwar, Rajasthan. Yeah.
Alwar, Rajasthan. So what is the what is the composition of FCI in Rajasthan or in Haryana? In any one of these places, इसका head office कहाँ है? उन लोग का काम कैसे चलता है? Is these places? Please tell me.
Yes, sir. For North region, zonal office is in Noida, and they have many regional office also and regional office also, and they have many depots. So in Haryana and Rajasthan also they have many depots. Actually, I don't know what's the exact number of their depot and regional office, but for North region, there is zonal office in Noida.
Good.
And I visited to Mandi also with one of my relatives, that how they procure the food grains. Recently, procure of wheat I visited to in Mandi also, that what's the process of the procurement by FCI personnel. So I gone in very depth with my personal interest that how they are working and how they are procuring their food grains from the market that we call mandi.
Very good, very good. So you went to the mandi also and how they procure and
Yeah,
all.
yes,
You
sir.
Yeah. Now,
Yes, sir.
here only there is a lot of problem going on as farmers agitation, more
Yes,
especially
sir.
in a state like Haryana, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh,
Yes,
and
sir.
all that.
Yes, sir.
Now, uh, without any bias, आपका what is your ideas about the three farm bills that have been passed? The three farm bills have been passed. Now, objectively
Yes, sir.
analyze from government angle your views. Analyze from farmers angle your views. Both the views, you please tell me briefly.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. First of all, I would like to tell the main objective of the government because government wants to give the more market to farmers because actually also have a limited capacity that how they can procure from the market. They have limited targets. So they have implemented, they have passed three bills that is audience right now. So they are providing, they are trying to provide more markets to the farmers so that they can sell their products in any state to any market player. And in the other part, the farmers are thinking that they are going to close the MSP system, that is minimum support price to farmers. So they have fear in their mind that when MSP will be deleted, then there will be so much market force of the private players. They will buy their food grains at lower price. So the farmers have a fear of deletion of the MSP. Otherwise, in the other part, government is also saying that we will not leave the MSP system. So, in my personal opinion, they are conflict of the only thinking of the both of the parts. That's why they are protesting more and more, protesting Delhi border also, especially in Haryana and Punjab. Punjab is also protesting from last 2 or 3 months. So there is conflict of only thinking or understanding of the bill. And in my personal opinion, the bill is not bad because they are providing more markets, more options to farmers because they can sell in anywhere in the country. They can sell to any private player also, and they can sell on MSP also because MSP is not going to be related. That is confirmed by government of India recent now.
Yeah, but I think one of the reasons can be that the new system introduced will take away the role of commission agents, and it may also
Yes,
reduce
sir.
the
Yeah, yeah.
importance of mandis. That's what I read yesterday in
Yeah,
business world. Yeah. So what is your view regarding that?
yeah, yes.
So do you think that
Yes, sir. We can say the
yeah, this is also an important part. The many of the farmers
yes,
have been
sir.
borrowing from the commission agents. They borrow, they plow the
Yes,
seed,
sir. Right.
and thereafter they sell it to the commission agents. So, and also there is
Yes,
interest
sir.
of commission agents being affected, and also government of the Punjab also will be losing over 4,000 crores towards some taxes they are collecting. This is what I read in one of the
Yes, sir.
newspapers. So this is a very big topic. I'm
Yes,
sure
sir.
we can't conclude it, but get to know about that more. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can you tell me as a chartered accountant, how can we revive our Indian economy? Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
How can we revive Indian
Hello. Hello.
economy? How can we revive our Indian economy?
Yeah. Yes, yes, sir. During Corona time, our economy is went in very bad situation because in the present budget in 2020, our economy was fifth largest economy of the world. That was 3 trillion economy after four countries. That is our country scared fifth position in March 2020. But after Corona, our country is going in bad way. We can't say only our country, all the world except China, we can say are going in the minus. So for reviving the country, we have to focus on our many incentives to generating the employment, giving more incentive to industries so that they can generate their employment. And during the corona time, unemployment rate was also increased so much. So reviving the economy, we have to more focus on industries, more providing having repo and reverse repo rate also so lower, so that money will be in the market, so that a common man have more buying power, and providing more incentive to industry. They will provide more employment to all the employees, so they will be survive and economy will grow accordingly.
Yeah, it's a good point. I hope you are aware of the website. If you are not remembering, kindly note down groupdiscussiontopics.com. Groupdiscussiontopics.com. If you
Yes,
go
sir.
there,
I don't
you
know.
will come across some of the common topics that can be asked, say in GD, but that will be of help for you for this interview also. For example, for this question, what they have said
Okay,
is
sir.
many economists are suggesting to give cash handouts directly to people till the pandemic is over. There is need for bringing structural reforms in healthcare sector. There is a need to encourage and incentivize exports. Indian agricultural sector could withstand coronavirus epidemic. There is so much potential in this sector that is yet to be tapped. Agricultural sector needs structural reforms. There is a need to take steps to improve investor confidence. Massive spending on infrastructure is to be developed and to have concentrate on rural centric development. Could you follow the points? These are the points given here
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
for this topic, namely how to
Yes, sir.
revive Indian economy. But you told it, but थोड़ा और भी refine कर सकते हैं. Good.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I will go through the group discussion topic.com website.
Yeah. Can you tell me what is the lessons for the world from COVID-19 pandemic? What is the lessons for the world
Yes,
from the COVID-19 pandemic?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
From the COVID-19 pandemic, there is a very great lesson for all the countries, that is for all the world, that we have to more focused on our medical sector also. We have to invest our budget expenditure more and more for medical facility also. We have to improve our medical facility available at that time. Because in the recent time, the top country of the world, that is USA, are suffering more than other countries. Highest suffered country is USA, that is more developed country. So the main lesson from the COVID is that we have to more focus on our medical facilities. We can't stop after thinking that there is nothing going to happen in the market, because anytime any type of disease can become in the market like COVID. So this can affect more and more to our country and our economy also. So we have to main focus our this type of facility, medical facilities also.
Good. Nice. You told nicely. But the points given here are number one, all the countries should maintain transparency with other countries, especially in this kind of a virus situation. Then this has made us realize whatever damage we are doing to the environment can be reversible. This phase has taught us that excessive consumerism is not needed. Everyone understood that there is a need for more funding, equipment, and human resources in the healthcare industry. This phase taught us to take immediate steps to protect vulnerable people. And also, it has made us realize the importance of self-sufficiency. COVID has taught companies that work from home option is not as bad as they thought. Then the internet access should be available to all to prevent deepening inequality. So likewise, and coronavirus has taught us to focus on healthy eating habits. Do you follow these points? Nothing new. Whatever I'm telling you is available in the website I have given you, groupdiscussiontopics.com.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
जिसमें से आपको पता हो
Yes, sir.
जाएगा. Good. Now we will come to some accountancy. You are a chartered accountant.
Yes, sir.
Tell me something about Chartered Accountant Institute.
Yes, sir. Chartered Accountant Institute started their working in 1949, and from the its incorporation, ICI is working in the independent manner, that is not biased with the government influence, is working independently, and it's conducting their exam independently, have their standards, have their rules and regulations, some ethics also their members, and time to time they provide the practical training also. They are up to date to their members that how to work with the, in a good manner, how to do audits, how to maintain a corporate culture, and all the type of things are, all the roles are played by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. It is a body enacted by Act of Parliament. It's a different act, so it's playing very virtual role in the economy, in the economy of the country. Yeah.
No, I think you may, instead of telling all the old things, you can say about the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India office is in this place. The chairman of this
Yes,
is
sir.
this person, and they are conducting these examinations, and they guide candidates for preparing for the examinations, and they also have certain rules and regulations for maintaining the decorum of this one, something like that. Briefly बताने से हो जाएगा.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Good. Now tell me,
Okay, sir.
what are tell me about ratio analysis, 2 or 3 points. In what way is it helpful for a chartered accountant to study the health of a company? How will you study
sir.
the health of a company? By going through the balance sheet and going through ratio analysis.
Yes, sir. As a doctor maintain the health of the human being. So for wealth management, chartered accountant is the right person for the particular. So about ratio analysis is a very important role for a chartered accountant for analyzing the health of the any organization, because ratio analysis we can understand what's the direction of the particular entity, what's their variation, what's the standard deviation between them. So like current ratio, fixed asset turnover ratio, and asset receivable. So all there are different type of ratio to measure the accuracy and efficiency and in what direction things is going on. With the help of ratio analysis, we can see the going concern also of the entity, whether the entity is going in right manner, also they have more liquidity or not, and whether they have sufficient cash, and cash equivalents to pay day-to-day activities. So with the help of ratios, we can analyze all the aspects of the any balance sheet or any health of the any organization. When we can compare other industry also with another industry of the same department, same concern. So ratios is an important role for the analyzing of the any entity's health. We can say analyzing the balance sheet of or loss amount of any organization.
Good. Nice. But then instead of telling so many ratios, you can come out with specific ones. Like this current ratio will enable us to know whether the company has got liquid assets to meet the current liabilities. I mean, I don't have to tell you this. You are more
Yes,
equipped
sir.
about this. So likewise, एक रेशियो का नाम बता के उसको एलिमेंट बता के उसमें से क्या लर्न कर सकते हैं about the company. For example,
Yes,
debt
sir.
service coverage ratio. What is debt service coverage ratio? Component क्या है? I am not remembering it now. वो बताने से उसको find out करने से ज्यादा होने से अच्छा है और कम होने से अच्छा है. What is the effect of this? Likewise, okay, like 2-3
Yes, sir.
ratios at least,
Yes,
you
sir.
must be able to specifically explain about it and tell so that it will be good. Tell me something about
Yes, sir.
GST. GST.
Yes, sir. ST. Yes, sir. GST, that is Goods and Services Tax, was implemented in 1st July 2017. That is indirect tax, and more than 70 indirect taxes was left in GST, because after deleting all the indirect taxes, like you can say sale tax, VAT, excise duty, like this, all the types are deleted, and one tax, that is goods and services. This is implemented on goods as well as service also. When we are providing types of service, or whether we are selling in type of goods, so GST is applicable on particular transaction. There is list of more commodity and services covered in. There is some zero trade goods also, and in GST there are 4 types of tax rate in GST. That is, we can say 12%, 18%, 28%, 5%, and there is composition scheme also, where we can pay 1%, tax. So different type of taxes covered in GST. That is an indirect tax, and the main focus of the GST is one nation, one tax.
Yeah, good. Nice,
Yes, sir.
good. You are told nicely. Can you tell me something about money market in India?
Yes, sir.
Money market in India. Tell briefly some points. What is money market? Who are the
Yes, sir.
major players? Who are the
Sorry, sir, I'm
main?
not ready to tell about this.
You are not ready with this? Yeah, the main
Yeah, yes, sir.
components of
Can
money
you please
market
explain me?
are commercial banks, regional rural banks, cooperative banks, a Reserve Bank of India. That is money market. दूसरा वाला capital market,
Yes, sir.
stock exchanges and stock
sir.
market, Securities Exchange Board of India, non-banking finance companies, development banks or public financial institutions. इसका बारे में तो अब ज्यादा पढ़ा नहीं होगा, थोड़ा अभी सीखने से अच्छा है. Can you tell me which bank has been put under certain restrictions recently by RBI? कल परसों में एक प्राइवेट सेक्टर बैंक को कुछ restriction दे दिया रिजर्व बैंक. Can you tell me what is the name of the bank? Perhaps you are not reading newspaper. HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank has been told not to do anything new business under digitalization. They have been told they should not issue
largest private sector market.
Yeah, they should not issue credit cards. They should not issue any new internet accounts. Likewise, थोड़ा उसका बारे में पढ़ लो जी. This latest news, 2-3 days
Yeah,
back.
sure, sir.
Yeah. Next, what do you know about
Okay,
Lakshmi Vilas Bank?
Yes, sir.
What do you know about
Lakshmi
Lakshmi?
Vilas Bank also was have some restriction by RBI in recent past time. Actually, I don't know more
थोड़ा
about
पढ़ना
this,
है. You have to read that.
Yes,
You have to read about that.
Yes, sir.
Lakshmi Vilas Bank में moratorium लगाया था. उसका बाद में DBS Bank has taken over Lakshmi Vilas Bank. DBS
Yes.
Bank, a Singapore-based bank, has taken over this Lakshmi Vilas Bank. So as a chartered accountant, we do expect you to know about economy, banks, insurance, and almost all aspects of life. समझ गया? इसलिए थोड़ा जो कुछ
Yes,
पढ़ना
sir.
है वो पढ़ के मन में रख लीजिएगा, आपको सुविधा हो जाएगा. Otherwise, you are
Yes, sir.
talking very well. कोई तकलीफ नहीं. You are answering very well, and I know in the course of today's interview, you must have felt some questions tough to answer. Were there such instances?
Yes,
or not?
yes, sir. As compared to our earlier interview, yes, sir. As compared to earlier interview was so easy for me. So
Yeah.
today I thought that you will be very
Today,
great. But
today it was.
I don't know so much.
I purposely
Very
made
tough.
it tougher for you. I purposely made it
Yes,
tougher
sir.
for you so that you get yourself fully equipped. समझ गया? अरे you know,
Yes, sir.
see interview
Yes,
में क्या होता है? See simply, I have not asked you about telling about yourself. Once you started there, probably they will continue with that. So in many times, it goes simply like this. I mean, it goes very tough like this. In some other occasions, it may be very simple. Who is the governor of RBI? Who is the chairman of FCI? Who is the minister in charge of food and supplies? Simply पूछ के आपको भेज देगा. It depends. So we must be prepared for a difficult situation also. Otherwise, you have done well.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Normally, I used to give you 8 or 9. Today, we will give you 7.5 out of 10. So best
Yes,
wishes. Best wishes.
Okay.
Thank you. You will
Thank you,
succeed.
sir. Thank you.
Absolutely no problem. You will
Okay.
succeed. 100% you will succeed.
Okay, thank you, sir.
But
Thank you, sir. After 10 seconds, I will send you mail. Congratulations.
Thank you. It depends on the nature of questions they are going to ask. Best wishes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Bye.
After conducting our first interview, I prepared some notes also after getting some guidance from you. So I
Yeah.
have proper notes also about the FA sites and some of them. But I will improve more and more. Because today question was sort of for me, especially I
Today,
can
this new
say.
new
So I
website
will
I have
prepare.
given
Yeah.
you, please go through that also.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
Actually, it is not GD. From there, we are learning
Yes, sir.
knowledge. Oh,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
best
sir. Sure.
wishes. You have done well.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye bye.
Bye.